Okay, I'm watching. Go! Where are you going? Was that fun? Was it fun? You gotta bring your bike out. Put it in reverse. Get on. Come on, Cedric, get on. Yeah, go backwards. Hold tight. Wait, Cedric's not ready. Help him, Zachary! Give him some more room! Okay, go! Hold tight, Cedric! Okay. Oh, you're stuck. Okay, you guys have to get down. You're stuck. You have to get down and move it. Come on, get down and move your bike. Pull it out, Zachary. Push it. Okay. Put it out this way so you can go this way. There you go. Yep. No. Go. Yeah, there's nowhere to go. Okay, go. You're not steering where you're supposed to go. You're stuck again. Gotta get off. Move it. You gotta steer. Just like when you ride your bike.
Why do you need to steer it?
Because you're gonna get stuck. Make it straight.
Ah!
Okay, get on. Whoa! Bye, guys. Steer! Go straight! Go straight! Okay, you're gonna go faster now on the cement. Oops, you need a little push. Go! Push! Go! Step on the gas. Whoa! Where'd you guys go? Peaches? You're picking peaches? We're gonna get jam.
I did put jam in the pit. You can just put it in your jam in the fire pit. Don't drop in there. Drop in there.
You guys cold? No?
I said you drop it down in the fire pit.
No, that's okay if he wants to bring it.
This? Now drop in the fire pit. You're gonna. I'm gonna go backwards now. Ah.
He's not ready yet. Move up. Scoot up, Zachary. Give him some more room. Better watch where you're going. You're gonna hit something. Stay there, Cedric. He's still going. His foot. There you go.
That's a flower. Is that a flower?
I don't know where you guys are going.
Then look at
Wait for Cedric. You ready?
apricot.
Okay, go. Forward.
Mango.
Apricot and mangoes?
Zombie.
And cranberries?
Yeah.
Okay.